Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Fusion 360 and Plasticity. Fusion 360 is a powerful 3D modeling software developed by Autotask. It's known for combining CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB design tools all in one place. It's great for engineers, product designers, and manufacturers who need to create precise professional models. You can do parametric modeling, simulate stress tests, generate toolpaths for CNC machining, and even collaborate with team members in the cloud. Fusion 360 is packed with features and is ideal for technical and industrial use. However, because it offers so many tools, it can feel overwhelming for beginners and may be more than with a casual designer's need. Plasticity, on the other hand, is a newer modeling tool focused on speed and simplicity. It's built mainly for concept artists and designers who want to shape 3D models quickly without the complexity of traditional CAD software. The interface is clean and the workflow feels more like sculpting than engineering. You can still achieve accurate designs, but it's more geared toward creative professionals who value flexibility and fast results over technical details. Plasticity doesn't have built-in simulation or manufacturing tools like Fusion 360, so it's not ideal for mechanical engineering or production-ready designs. If you're an engineer, a professional product designer, or someone who needs precision, Fusion 360 is the better choice. But if you're creative users who wants a fast, easy-to-use modeling tool for concept or 3D art, Plasticity might be the right fit for you. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.